Welcome back. Let us go through the different types of orders which we execute on a daily basis most of the time. So once you come into the web portal of Zerodha, currently we'll go through the Zerodha web portal, and once you come into the Zerodha portal, I'll just walk you through the process of placing in future orders. For example, currently we have an option or open orders for Nifty September future contract. So if at all currently the market is closed, so that I can just show you if at all you want to place an order, how to go about it. Just in the market watch section, you just add the Nifty September future contract as I previously showed how to do it. Once you place, add it here. Once you hover the mouse over the particular script which you want to place an order, what you can do is you will get an option for buy and sell. And you have market depth section. Once you click here, it will just show that particular day transaction volumes, what was the high, low, bid, quantity, all those details you will get. And this is your chart section where you can see in this particular chart, these are the setups which have been done here. Don't worry about all those aspects which you can learn more in depth. What do you have to see? This is a 15-minute candle. What you can do, just do your adjustments here. 1 day candle, 5 day, basically 1 month, 4 hour, whatever the candle you have, you can just, based on the candle, you can just go through the charts, what you want to see. And if this is to delete the particular script from your market watch, and if you want to have more of all these things, you can just, if you want in-depth detail of all these things, I think if you go to the help section of the particular brokerage website, you will get a lot of more information. And in this particular section, I will not be able to go through all of those aspects. So just to help you out with placing of orders, what we can do is, like, for example, if you want to click on, if you buy an order Nifty contract, what you can see here is, once you click on buy, you will get an option of like quantity 50, that is by default 1 lot. And if as you can see, there is an option for intraday and overnight. Overnight is when like you will be carrying over your position. Intraday is for only when you do wherein like you buy an order or sell an order and you have to square off the position before 3:20 of that particular day. Yes, you can square off at 3:30 also. Usually the brokers they'll square off by 3:15 or 3:20 based on whatever the margin or volumes on that particular day, and also the volatility. So if the broker he himself squares off the positions on intraday position, he'll be charging something extra money for that one. So you have to be very careful about that aspect also. So once you come here, if you want to buy one lot of Nifty, just click on overnight. Quantity is 50, and we always place in mark. If at all, if you want to buy it at market order, you click on market, and it will buy, say, like whatever the market amount, ticker price of that particular amount is, like 50. Currently, it was showing at 16,714. You will get you will buy at that particular price. You can use the stop loss orders if at all, but usually we will not use the stop loss orders. Do not use that section. SLM is something like usually we use it when we want to buy at a particular price range. Say like if at all we have a position wherein like we want to buy when the market touches, say like example, if I want to buy an order at 16,750.50, and if I click on buy, when the market touches only at 16,750.50 and above, only the order will get triggered. Otherwise the order will not get triggered, and the order will be in pending section saying that trigger pending. Okay. And in the limit section, in the limit order also will be used only when the order will get triggered, only when when the price goes above that particular amount, okay. And we will not use GTT option is there, target option is there. We will not be using all these options more and more. If you want more of these, you can just always click on learn more, and you will get a lot of help section here on the particular website itself. You can use that. And also the cover order is there, that is usually mostly used for intraday positions, where like it is like a stop loss also, where you buy one order and at the same time put in a stop loss order also, which will give more margin money, and I will not be covering that aspect here. If you want more detail, definitely you can go to the website. AMO order is something where like if it is called an aftermarket order. Typically, we do not recommend to put this one basically to avoid any black swan events. Whenever that happens, if the market goes against you and you put in an AMO order, there will be chances of you taking a huge loss is high on a higher side. That is the reason we always say be in front of the market at 9:15, so it will be helpful for you so that based on the market situation, you can react and put in your orders. If you put in your AM order and you are not in front of a system, or kite as an option, in the sense Zerodha as an option even in mobile section, wherein like application wherein you can always place an order. So there is no excuse that saying that you are not in front of, you do not have access to computer or to the mobile, wherein like you cannot put in your orders. So we definitely do not recommend using AM order also. Okay, now let us go through how to place an order in ShareCon website web portal. So once you come into the, as I previously showed in the model showed, once you come into the web portal, you will see the portfolio section. And if you click on trade now, come to NSEFO. If you want to trade in future, click on the future contract. Currently, we will just put in, if you want, just put in Tata Motor. And you can see here, 13 September contract is there. You can click on buy or sell, whatever your option is there. Buy big trade plus sell big trade, or something which we will not use. So don't worry about all those aspects. Click on by default there will be one lot quantity, whatever the price is there. Here if you want to buy at market price, you can just click on market price. If you want to put in a trigger price, you can always put in your trigger price also, wherein like once you put in a trigger price, once the market reaches that particular price point, only then your order will get triggered. Otherwise before that it will not get triggered. So this is good for days, for I keep all these options similar. Bracket order, will not use the bracket order for now. You can click on normal product type. At the same time, if you want to use option feature, you can use call or put. When like once you click on call, you have to put in your script name. Say like if you want to use it for Nifty, you will have options, contract expiry dates like Nifty 9, 16, 20, the 30th September, and you can also put in your strike price. You have the range will get all be shown here. So whatever strike price you want to put in, say like example 17,000, then you want to buy that particular buy or sell quantity, everything you can just put in your detail, put in all your details and click on place order. And also and this is how you place the orders in ShareCon web portal. And you can use the options tails, chain and tools options here. Basically in these option chains, you can select NSFO, click on whatever the scripts you want to choose, Nifty or Bank Nifty. Click on the expiry contract weekly, whether it's a weekly expiry or a monthly expiry, whatever expiry you want to select. And if you want to have a chain in the sense section, all this, click on all. And you can see the strike prices. You can see all the strike prices, or if you want to see any particular price range, strike price range also, you can by selecting all these options. You can, if you click on all, you will get all the strike price range, and you can select any of those things. For example, I just select 2, then click on place order, or you can click on add to watch list, and then you can click whether you want to buy, sell, put in the quantity, and if you want to select and put in submit, it will ask for the password. And I will not just put all those things now. You can just click on submit, and once you put the password, you will get an options to place the order. This is how you can place the order in ShareCon web portal. Now what we will do is we can go to the ShareCon Trade to Trigger platform. How to go about Trade to Trigger platform? 1 second. Yeah. See, like once you come into the Trade to Trigger portal, here it is. It's very simple actually, in the sense. If you are there are 2 options in Trade to Trigger portal, wherein like it is, if you are trading in multiple scripts and you want to have a bulk order option, you have bulk order option also, wherein if you click on tools and click on bulk order, where like there is a format wherein you can prepare the bulk order format, where if you click on once you click prepare the file in the bulk order option, you can just always click on load file. Currently I don't have a file here in this particular computer, so I cannot show that option. Once you have a file, it will just get uploaded here, and once the file gets uploaded, it's as easy as just click on push order. All the orders, like if you have multiple scripts, if you have 10, 20, 30 scripts, you can just in one click the orders will get pushed. So that is one of the beneficial in this particular Trade to Trigger platform. That is one of the, for us it is very beneficial because we trade in multiple quantities and multiple scripts. Or if you are trading in a couple of scripts and you want to do it manually, you can always do it. Say like as I showed earlier, once you click on Market Watch, you can always come to near future and click on any particular script which you want to do. Right click on the mouse, or you can use the options shortcut keys if you are useful in the keyboard and fast you want. You can use F1 or F2 and click on buy script. Similar way, by default it will always be one lot, it will be the quantity will be one lot, and if you want to place it in a market order, just remove all these things, put in zero price and click on place. It will place the order in market. And if you want to put in a trigger price range, you can always type in what is the price range. If the market breaches that particular price range, at what range you want the order to be triggered. If you put in that one, it will happen. And at the same time, if you want to change it to sell, you can put it in exchange, the same thing. It is as simple as that. Nothing fancy here. The only advantage which in the sense the good advantage we see here in this Trade Tiger platform is the bulk order upload option, which is beneficial if you are trading in more than a few scripts. In the sense, if you are if you want to use it for multiple scripts and you want to push orders even one shot, it's very useful. That's all in the order placement section. I think I'll see you in the next section for how to go about rollover. Thank you.